To add Robinhood to the Authenticator app, start by opening the Robinhood app and clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Then select the Security and Privacy option from the menu screen. If you can't find it, simply scroll down. On the Security Options page, choose Two-Factor Authentication. Then select the Authenticator app option. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number, which you'll need to enter to proceed. You'll then see instructions and a key provided by Robinhood, which you should copy by clicking the Copy Key link. Open the Authenticator app, downloading it from the Play Store or App Store if necessary, and create an account. Tap the plus icon, select Enter a setup key, and enter a name for the account, such as Robinhood, then paste the key you copied from Robinhood. Choose the method for your key, such as time-based or cloud-based, and click Add. Return to the Authenticator app, which will now display a security code or 6-digit code. Enter this code into the Robinhood app to complete the setup. You'll also receive a backup code, which you should copy and store safely in case you lose access to your device or authenticator account. Once you've copied the code, click Continue to finish the process.